Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to get some more protection on the Pixel 6a. This is how we're going to do it. We're going to put this glass on and we're going to make sure we get this thing rolling right. So let's go ahead and pop this over here. Let's clean this up. Gotta love a good microfiber cloth, folks. Get a good microfiber cloth. Get one that's going to be nice on your screen. It doesn't scratch your screen. So let's get this open from MagGlass. Let's get this in here. Now let's see what's going on with it. Hopefully it's got a frame. Yes, I do not like installing things that don't have a frame. You just get to pop it on like this and you get everything in here. So this is the 2-pack, obviously. So you get some instructions, blah, 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 blah. It's pretty simple. You get 2 of these because you're going to use this 2 times. So let's crack it open. Pixel 6a is Google's latest for now until that 7 drops. We already know how that's going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this with the little sticky first here. Get as much off as possible. Gonna rip that open, get this cleaned up. Yes, sir. Make sure you clean your device, folks. Clean it up good, because once you put this down, you want it to stick in every way possible. So let's go ahead, get it nice and cleaned off, and we'll hit it again with the dust removal in a second. Just make sure you get it nice and clean. Now we'll drop this on. My screen is a little scratched too because I haven't put a screen protector back on it yet. Just get this in, man. You get in there and you get all that you can get out of here, because when you drop this glass in, that is a wrap. I mean, it's a 2-pack, but you know, you don't want to use the glass unless you don't have to. You might decide to get a replacement or something. It could be anything. You want to have that extra glass. So we're going to go ahead and peel this off. We're going to drop it down in here. Just like that. And it already starts to seal up. You might be able to see it going there. It is a going, man. It's going. It's all the way to the top already. Boom. And you know, I know this is finished because the screen went off. Now it's like it felt a touch. That is flawless. Oof. Went on perfect, folks. There is not a bubble anywhere. That is how a glass should go on. Now, the glass may have gone on perfectly fine, but let's test that fingerprint reader. Let's see. Nope. Got to reset it up again. Oh, okay. So just a little bit. I'll set it up again though, because we do. Okay, yeah. I'll do another fingerprint in there to test it out to see. I'm just gonna add another one because this fingerprint reader is actually really good. I normally wouldn't do anything with it. Security and passwords. Oh wait, here we go. Fingerprints. Let's add another one, and we're gonna add this same one here. Just want to make sure that you follow the instructions the same. I'm pressing a little harder. You know, you really don't have to probably. You just want to rest your finger on there. It's going. You can see it, folks. It is going. I always try to get like a bunch of different positions on my finger when I'm doing a fingerprint reader. There we go. Let's hit done and let's go ahead and do it again. And now it's fast again. Boom, there it is. So there we go. We got a new tempered glass in. This is courtesy of Encase. They do MagGlass, if you didn't know. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. It went on so clean, folks. It's just nice. I love it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Wow, finally got a little bit more protection on this thing. I am loving it. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next video. Link down below.